Oh, it's too hot today, dude. It's actually too hot today. It is way too hot. Someday we'll live underwater. Natural light go burr. It's also really, really sunny today, too. That's the other crazy part. You're Too Hot, the new crib, looks like a studio. It's really nice. Like, you guys can't really see. Hold on. How are we gonna do this? I can't really show you guys the whole thing, but I got like a photo studio thing there now. Not even keyboard clutter. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Hold on. That's not keyboard. Well, it's kind of clutter, but I'm not done yet. I'm still doing it all. It's just too hot. I didn't want to do any more. High-key glowing though. The big contrast of the old room. I know it's huge, dude. Check this out though. Chat, check this out, dude. Let me show you guys this. Isn't the side camera so much nice too? I moved in with my girlfriend actually. DR Paradox. What's going on, dude? It's making an observation. Yeah, no, it definitely is. I think the biggest thing that I haven't done yet is I haven't put a carpet down in the room. And from what I understand about acoustics is the flooring is usually the part where you'd like have the most reverb from like, or like reflection of sound. So isn't this desk nice? So nice. This is from IKEA. It's $99. I mean, I wanted a really nice desk, but this is all I could really afford. What do you guys think? It's not actual concrete. It's just like a laminate. I don't know if it's actual concrete. I don't think so. You could have fooled me. I thought it was a concrete desk. Yeah, it's not. It's just laminate. Yeah, there's going to be a blog, and I'm going to do like a tour for you guys. I'm just not done at all. Like, I don't want to keep my cameras mounted like this. I want to actually change it up a little bit. I was not going to stream today, but so nice. I honestly just wanted to, even if it meant that my stream room is not 100% set up yet. Congrats, thank you, dude. Oh, this keyboard's so pretty. This is the new, and it's one of one. Look at this beautiful Cerakote. Feels like I can see so much better in your bright room. Yeah, you probably can. Look at that beautiful Cerakote, dude. Let's take out this piece of foam. Oh, this is pretty. Wow. Was some of it Sakura would go hard on that? Yeah. So this is not a personal build. Oh, okay, so I'm not sure if all the news came like this, but I believe all of them were polished. This is more like a sandblasted finish, so it's more matte. My God, that looks way better than the polished one. Oh, this is from Modern Coupe. I've actually seen their stuff around. They make some pretty neat stuff. I believe there's like a piece of wax in here too. The case is so nice. Yeah, the case is really nice. Yeah, there's a piece of wax for the leather pieces. What, the camera angles? Alex switched the room light to light mode? Listen, we needed to change. It was getting a little bit too dim and too... Dude, it just didn't feel like the right vibe. So we had to go back to a light vibe, dude. Modern Coupe bags are awesome. I have one for my 65s. I've always meant to grab one from them. I'm not gonna lie, I waited to unbox this with you guys. Not gonna lie about that. There's no names on this, I don't think so. This was inside the box. Okay, so these are already lubed and filmed. These are Alpacas. So if I have a picture of you in my room, huh? What films are these? Oh, they're Destiny films. Nice. So we get some Alpacas. I don't think I've used Alpacas in quite some time. Oh, alpaca stabs. Cool. I don't know what this is. Oh. Feet? Oh, wow. I actually have not seen this yet. Private run, friends and family, 1 of 5. Oh, neat. Oh, this is the shiny one. Honestly, I like the non-shiny one. And this is the plates. Are we even doing a plate today? GMK Buy, do you want a plate built with this? I don't think we do, right? Up to you, your choice. Nah, no plate. I built the new with a plate a few times and ended up not liking it. How's the new place so far? So far, so good. I'm enjoying it. I like the area. It's nice. Hi, Steez. Love the new space. Total vibes. Very summer bright and airy. Yeah, the sun's going down now, so it's slowly getting a little darker, which I kind of like. I kind of like starting the stream off with a little bit of brightness, and we can ease into more of a darker, like subtle stream. Long-time YouTube watcher, first time watching on Twitch. What's going on, CFE? We have a new stream setup today, so it's not quite done. A little echoey. We're still getting it all set up. Marbly Bull's boards got old very quickly after my initial obsession with them. Yep, me too. Don't get me wrong, I still like the odd occasional marbly sound signature. But it does get old really quickly, dude. Any tips for tuning an NK87 Alu? Lubing your stabs will be the first bet. So nice. Thank you, Granted. I appreciate your tier 1, bro. Welcome, welcome. Lubing your stabs, I also think that with the NK Alus, not using an overly loud or clacky switch, IMO is a good call for that board. So something like Alpacas or even Silks, I think are great. But I would avoid a long pull switch, personally. I was gonna build a QK65 with all foams to get a thocky sound, but I thought I got over the sound quickly. Yeah, I mean, like, who here has built a thocky, like a really like marbly PE foam sounding keyboard and then just got really bored of it? I think that's a sentiment a lot of people share. Yeah, all I want in my streams is to hang out with you guys and make it feel like we're all talking like friends, opposed to me being like some person who's building keyboards and needs attention for it. All I want is to hang out. Literally it, chat. That's why I like reading comments, and if it means the keyboard gets built slower, then so be it. All right, hopefully all these switches got put in nicely. Have you seen the Link 65? I know of the Link 65. I have not actually seen too much of it though. Soon. Plateless, indeed. This is begging for Olivia. Do I put on Olivia instead? Ooh, that's already sounding good. Will it do? I don't know if it'll do. Does that look the same, guys? No, it's a little darker. JTK Night Sakura, that's also on a board that I don't have here. We don't have a lot set up at the moment. I'm kind of curious where I put my Olivia spacebar though. We're just gonna use WoB, dude. The spacebar on the new hits so different. Damn, that sounds good. Let's put a bit of color on this. It's the wrong profile, but hold on, this is kind of slapping. Did I miss the wood table? Nah. It's just Clefairy. Oh, baby, this sounds good already. Hold on. There's that new side profile. Ignore the artisan. It's not supposed to. It's an SA artisan. That little bit of weight, which I loved about the new, so it kind of breaks up that traditional like box on wedge. Just peaks here at the bottom too. I hope this patinas. That would look beautiful. It's a very pretty keyboard with a gorgeous Cerakote on it. To be honest, this is a very pretty color. Here's that bottom piece that some people really like about the new. What desk pad is this? This is from Zenclack. I don't remember the exact name of this particular one, but what's nice too is the Cerakote does have a bit of sparkle. The bottom finish does have a little bit more than the top. Oh man. All right, let's see what this sounds like. So we're using Alpacas. We are using the bottom foam. It is plateless as well. Look at that. Look how good that looks, guys. Okay, let's do a little sound test. What's better though for spacebars? Dude, these are both so good. Hold on. Damn. Yo, this build slaps. I mean, I've always liked the new, to be fair. Damn. New R2 when? Yo, low key, I'd like to see that too. I wonder how Sakura would look on this. I think it'll look good. Some more spacebar slaps, please. See you guys very, very soon. It's so chill to watch your stream. I'm really thankful for that. Hey, no worries, Stelios. I thank you guys all for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for just like this quick little, I don't know, spur of the moment. I wasn't going to stream today, but today was going to be, I really wanted to. See you guys Thursday. I love you guys. Take care. Good night, everybody. I love you guys. Bye.